I just would like to remind everyone that this is cutting-edge technology. This is exactly the opposite of leaving the global south behind. And we should be really happy about that.
What are we doing with this technology? First, we are building capacity with support from the Tech Transfer program, and we are establishing a dedicated mRNA R&D facility and training scientists in cutting-edge techniques. Second, we are advancing R&D by co-developing mRNA vaccines with private companies for Leishmaniasis and rabies, and collaborating with mRNA tech transfer partners such as Afrigen in South Africa and Ficus from Brazil on vaccine candidates.
And now we intend to advance very quickly in the development of new products for neglected disease and cancer.
We are committed to collaborate with the partner to enhance our capacity and build a healthier future for Pakistan. I am thankful to NPP and WHO for providing this support to make our local R&D lab.
This program is a big opportunity for Kenya Biovacs because one, it is versatile, it is flexible, it allows us to undertake targeted product development and be able to get products to the market in a short period.
We believe the program that began with the vision of pandemic preparedness is now an enabler of the entire mRNA global ecosystem, allowing companies and institutions to expand into various applications of vaccines and therapeutics.
Our goal is to harness mRNA technology to strengthen pandemic preparedness and address unmet public health needs, especially in low and middle income countries.
Synergium Biotech is building this world-class RNA facility that will allow our region to have full product development and GMP manufacturing capabilities, not only to manufacture our own products, but also to receive tech transfers from other program partners.
We plan to apply the mRNA technology for developing other vaccine needed in Vietnam, such as mRNA, dengue, and APV vaccine.
mRNA-based therapeutics are the key for future treatments that can open the door to address unmet medical needs.
Our vision is to expand mRNA applications beyond COVID-19 to tackle endemic diseases, cancers, and the new treats yet to come.
We feel the daily support of WHO and MPP in every step we make. This progress would be impossible without the donors of the program. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you from earth to sky for making the things happen. We deeply value the trust that you have placed in us.
With continued support through the program, by 2030, our goal is to firmly establish an mRNA platform in Senegal, from R&D to manufacturing, and be ready to face any future pandemic in the region. We're building a future where life-saving mRNA capabilities are within reach for communities across the globe.
We have established required laboratory and in the process of establishing a GMP manufacturing facility for manufacture of complete mRNA vaccine. This has given us tremendous amount of confidence that at the time of need or any pandemic, we will be able to deliver the vaccine or therapeutics coming out of mRNA technology.
As we put everything together, we'll be looking at quite a few vaccines. We're looking at outbreak vaccines that will deal with pandemics. We're looking at possible vaccines that will go for maternal use, and even the routine vaccines, we're looking at it. So we're still combing the landscape, but hopefully in a year's time I'll be able to come with a lot more specifics after we've opened our lab.
We're also very thankful to the team at Afrigen. As I said, we've been there twice, found a team of young people, very impressionable, very patient, and I noticed that some of them have also become equipment experts.
We are in the process of completing the construction of an end-to-end, the first facility of its kind on the African continent, including research, development and manufacturing for mRNA vaccines.
We're grateful to the funders whose support makes this possible. South Africa, Belgium, Canada, France, Germany and the European Commission.